You can tell cleaning is no longer enough when a component shows visible damage, repeated failure, or performance loss despite proper maintenance. If a capacitor has bulging or cracked terminals or leaks a sticky residue, it needs replacement because cleaning cannot restore its electrical capacity. For contactors that show blackened or pitted contacts from arcing, swapping the contactor prevents intermittent connections and overheating. Use a contactor with the same coil voltage and contact rating, and always discharge capacitors first. Filters that have collapsed structure or are clogged beyond flow recovery should be replaced, since washing may not restore pleat integrity or manufacturer dust-holding capacity. When changing filters, note size, flow direction arrow, and replacement interval based on runtime hours. Bearings with rough noise, play, or metal particles in lubricant indicate wear and should be replaced rather than relubricated, and when installing new bearings, ensure correct press fit and shaft alignment. Electrical wiring with brittle insulation, corrosion at terminals, or frayed conductors must be replaced, not merely taped, and follow color and gauge standards while securing with proper terminals and strain relief. Finally, if repeated cleaning cycles do not return original thermal performance or a component repeatedly fails at the same spot, document operating conditions, check installation stresses, then replace the failing part, and monitor to verify the issue is resolved. Common mistakes include assuming discoloration is cosmetic, which leads to leaving a blackened contactor in service and repeated failures. Replace the contactor and test coil and load under safe power conditions. Another mistake is overcleaning filters that have lost structural integrity. Swapping to a correct new filter restores airflow and protects downstream components. A frequent oversight is not inspecting capacitors for subtle terminal deformation or leakage. Replacing suspicious capacitors prevents surprise failures and reduces stress on compressors and motors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for repairs and maintenance projects related to these issues, and we connect contractors to work opportunities in their area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share experiences, troubleshooting tips, and part recommendations.